Traffic lights.
Czerwone, żółte, zielone. Pani Iwona.
And Sadika. Present.
Present. Colors.
Colors. I wanna.
Learn Polish.
That's right. Today we are very colorful. Let's move on, Sadika. And show the world we can see. Would you be able to, yes, explain what's our episode today about?
Yeah, so this is our table of contents. We'll start with some target language colors. Of course, we need to memorize them and just go through what each color is called in Polish. Then we have a 15-15 game. After this, we'll move into a music break, then come back to our game and then do a follow-up activity.
Correct. Okay, so let's talk about our target language, which today is colors. I wonder whether our audience know any color in Polish already. Did you know any colors before you started learning them?
No, not really.
Not really, but then when you realize that you were exposed to target language, which we are exploring through the idea of Ponglish, Polish and English, you just realize how many words you actually know already about colors,
course,
right?
They're very similar.
Okay. It's amazing. So it's soothing for our audience to just relax. Okay, you begin. We're talking about basic vocabulary, target language, and you are introducing Polish, and then I'll be translating it into English. Let's go. Polish.
Biały.
White.
Żółty.
Yellow.
Brązowy.
Pink.
Róż.
Pink.
Czerwony.
Red.
Pomarańczowy.
Orange.
Fioletowy.
Purple.
Niebieski.
Blue.
Zielony.
Green.
Brązowy.
Brown. Very good.
Szary.
Gray.
Czarny.
Black.
Jasny.
Excellent. Light.
Ciemny.
Dark.
Zimny.
Cool.
Ciepły.
Warm.
Okay, this is difficult. Srebrny.
Almost. Very nice. Silver.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia. So now I'm going to be the model. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of drilling. Can you please, dear audience, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, be the audience with Sadika. So when I say target language word describing color and adjective in Polish, you repeat together with her. Biały.
Biały.
Żółty.
Żółty.
Różowy.
Różowy.
Róż.
Róż.
Czerwony.
Czerwony.
Pomarańczowy.
Pomarańczowy.
Fioletowy.
Fioletowy.
Niebieski.
Niebieski.
Zielony.
Zielony.
Brązowy.
Brązowy.
Szary.
Szary.
Czarny.
Czarny.
Jasny.
Jasny.
Ciemny.
Ciemny.
Zimny.
Zimny.
Ciepły.
Ciepły.
Srebrny.
Okay, srebrny.
Very good. Bardzo dobrze. Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Let's move on to the game. 15-15. So how many can you guess right? Try to create an image. Try to create a color in your head. Sadika, over to you.
Yes, this will be a mashup of colors in our episode number 3, Ponglish, Polish and English. So these sentences are inspired from that. And do check out our episode number 3. We have the link right in the description box below. And we will reveal a sentence in Polish, which will be using some Ponglish vocabulary, and you have to guess its meaning. We have 15 sentences, so let's see how many you can get correct.
Excellent. Moving on. You are the model now.
Clown jest kolorowy.
And the audience is thinking, what is this sentence about? Do you actually know a little bit of Polish? Of course you do. I'm not going to be reading it because it's obvious. Let's move on to the next one. If you have this correct, can you please just draw a line on a piece of paper or a notebook, notes like that, and then we are going to do the calculation. Next one.
Olivki sa olivkovo.
Almost. Everybody's thinking, what is this about? Yeah, that's right. Moving on. Excellent.
Pak je
Remember.
zielone.
What is this about? That's it. Clever cookies. Number 4. What is 4 in Polish? You already know numbers.
Zebra jest czarno-biała.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy or not? Yeah, obvious. 5, numer 5.
Czarna owczka jest czarna.
Yeah, what is this about? 2 adjectives, the same. That's right, you were right. Numer 6.
Okay, Miss Iwan, I will need your help to repeat this after I do so that I can have the model pronunciation. But błękitna krew jest niebieska.
Almost perfect. Błękitna krew jest niebieska. It's very funny idiomatic expression in Polish. Błękitna krew jest niebieska. Sadika, repeat.
Błękitna krew jest niebieska.
This idiomatic expression actually exists also in English language and in all European languages. Yes, we've got 2 different colors for blue, as if it wasn't difficult enough. Numer 7.
Czerwono są maki na Mont Cassino.
A little bit of historical touch here, very historical touch, very special moment, cultural moment here. You can guess, and you probably guess correct. Numer 8.
Białe nocy są w Finlandii.
Excellent, you're very good. If you managed to guess, draw a line for yourself. Number 9 in a minute. So now we've got, what do we have here, Sarika? Can you please introduce our little break for our brain?
Break. So then we were brainstorming ideas for like the colors episode. Miss Iwana thought of the autumn in her country, and she came up with this musical piece that is often that she relates to her Polish culture. So we will listen to that for now. Just 1 minute.
Yes, because it's all about colors. It's all about autumn. And we are recording this episode on the 15th or 14th of November. So in Poland, it's autumn, which means a lot of leaves on the ground, and all those leaves and nature harvesting fruit are colorful, beautiful. So let's listen.
Seven, I think you should move on to the next slide. And yes.
Yes, that is correct. You can close your eyes and you can imagine.
So I think we should return back to our game now, because this is a really beautiful piece and I would want to listen to all of it, but we have some time constraints, I believe.
Okay. If you say so, Sarika, obviously. Let's move on.
Does that symphony make you homesick, Miss Iwana?
I was actually thinking that I could have maybe say something for 15 seconds or 30 seconds in Polish, so our audience could get exposed to fluent Polish connected speech. But maybe next time that I will be talking about what I feel and what I see when I'm listening to music or Polish music, or looking at a Polish painting or something related to my culture. I will give a little bit of a story and we'll see how much you or the audience can understand. That's an idea triggered just now for the next episode.
Wow.
So let's continue the game.
All right, number 9. Polska flaga jest biało-czerwona. I just like how they say a lot. It's just addictive to say it again and again.
I like that you like speaking Polish. Yes, that's also very patriotic here. Numer 10, tego numeru nie mieliśmy. We didn't have this number. Can you read the sentence, please?
Sygnalica świetlna jest czerwona, żółte, zielona.
Very nice. It's a difficult sentence, but we started with czerwono, żółto, zielone, traffic lights. Number 11.
Pomarańczowy to oranż angielskiego.
I think that was easy. Moving on. 12.
Mój ulubiony kolor to kolor fuksja lub zimny i zimny róż.
Very nice. I think there's a lot of help here. Okay. I'm moving on to the next one. Numer 13.
13. Violet jest popularnym kolorem. I think this is easy.
I think all the words here, 4 out of 3 are exactly almost the same. Correct. Next one, the second last, 14.
Czekolada jest brązowa.
That's a delicious sentence. And the last one, remember to draw a line when you write. 15.
Okay, szary jest słoń i mysz jest szara.
Excellent. Wonderful improvement. Duży postęp. Okay. So are we going to go back and read it one more time, or shall we move on? I think what are your thoughts, Sarika?
I think we can move on, but Miss Iwana, if you could give the model pronunciation for this sentence, because it's kind of tricky, and then we can move on to our follow-up activity.
Yes, this sentence I think is the trickiest. So I will divide it into 2, and then I will read it as one sentence. So first of all, 2 chunks. Szary jest słoń. Sarika, can you repeat?
Szary jest słoń.
And of course, the audience is Sarika. So the audience is repeating together with Sarika. I mysz jest szara.
I mysz jest szara.
Okay, so I'm going to connect it as a one sentence now. Szary jest słoń i mysz jest szara. Can you repeat?
Szary jest słoń i mysz jest szara.
Wspaniale. Cudownie. Excellent. Okay, are you going to explain?
Yes, let's move on to the next slide.
Mm-hmm.
So this is about you and your favorite color, and just use the comment sections to comment down your favorite color in Polish. And Miss Iwana, would you like to say the same thing in Polish?
Jaki jest twój ulubiony kolor? Sarika, jaki jest twój ulubiony kolor?
One of them is róż. I don't really have a particular one, like I said.
Excellent. Mój ulubiony kolor to błękitny, jak błękitna krew. I'm moving on.
And thank you so much. This is our vlog number 7, and we want to come back with the vlog number 8. So please keep a lookout for that. Until then, what questions do you have?
Jakie macie do nas pytania? Thanks. And we're finishing with the traffic lights again, right? Sarika, please,
Yes.
over to you.
Zielone, żółte, czerwone. So if you could see the order, it's opposite now.
Correct. Okay, thank you very much.